Hello guys, how are you people doing? So before we get into the topic, let me share something with you all. Recently, I was interviewing a lot of youngsters for digital marketing positions. Most of them had taken coaching at training institutes, but it was surprising that after 100 hours of coaching, they were still not aware what really digital marketing consists of. All that they know is PPC and FB boosting. To my surprise, many did not even know blogging, affiliate marketing, mobile ads, app marketing, data analytics, and other social media channels like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, etc. It's sad that even after charging good fee, still they were not given holistic training. It is not one institute, but it is same with 90% of the training providers. So, in this episode, I would like to share some insight on what you need to learn as part of digital marketing course and also the checklist before you join digital marketing training. Before I start, remember that in the digital world, you have access to great amount of information across the globe on variety of subjects. So it is your responsibility to explore about your interests and skills which you like to acquire. Don't wait till someone instruct or spoon feed you everything. And if you are a good self-learner, then trust me, there are complete training programs which are offered to you by various people on YouTube, and you can actually go and learn it. Now let's look at what skills you need to learn as part of digital marketing course if you aim to learn in holistic way. I mean to get an exposure to all branches of digital marketing. So these branches are social media marketing. It covers FB AdWords, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest marketing and all that. Second is email marketing. Bulk email campaigns. This falls under this. Third is search engine marketing, like Google Ads. Fourth is YouTube channel. So creation of subscriber base and video marketing, everything comes under this. Fifth is search engine optimization. This involves improving search ranking for a website using meta tags, appropriate headings, keywords, backlinks, and understanding of Google Rank Brain algo. Sixth is mobile marketing. As we all know, more than 70% of content consumption is on mobile. So it is very much needed to understand this domain. Then comes content marketing. Blogs, content websites, content postings on social medias, etc. Everything comes under this. Then comes web and social media analytics. Intelligence about traffic to website, blog and social media platforms is key to understand the effectiveness of digital marketing. Ability to analyze campaign impact in a quantifiable metric is must for digital marketing managers. So analytics knowledge is a definite skill to acquire for digital marketers and to grow in this domain. Then comes marketing automation. Knowledge of marketing automation tool is highly helpful for digital marketers. Some of such tools are Lead Squared, Acton, Sendy, MailChimp, Hootsuite, etc. Then comes affiliate marketing. Tie-ups with domain-specific bloggers, site owners helps you well. Then comes online reputation management. Keeping an eye on positive feedbacks and complaints in online space is very important. Especially if complaints redressal is not done properly with the virality aspect of social media, it can cost your business dearly. And last but not the least is AdSense training. Understanding revenue generation method is needed for our digital marketers. Now let me revise these. Number one, social media marketing. Number 2, email marketing. Number 3 is search engine marketing. Number 4, YouTube channels. Number 5, search engine optimization. Number 6, mobile marketing. Number 7, content marketing. Number 8 is web and social media analytics. Number 9 is marketing automation. Number 10, affiliate marketing. Number 11, online reputation management. And last but not the least, AdSense training. So now you understand what digital marketing domain comprises of. What else do you need to check before joining a full stack digital marketing course? Point number 1, see if you are covering all the departments of digital marketing. Many institutes gives a picture as if PPC and social media marketing is everything in digital marketing, but it is not. So do your research before joining any institute. Point number 2 is know your trainer. If your trainer is really a digital marketing domain specialist, interact with the trainer and know about his experience in this domain. In current scenario, every fresher who understands PPC also thinks he has mastered digital marketing due to lack of knowledge of what digital marketing comprises of. Sometimes even people from other domains like programming and web designing, they also teach theory without real-time knowledge. So know your trainer, it helps. Point number 3, are you getting experiential learning? Don't work on dummy pages and platforms. If you try real time, you will understand better. So first, open your own account for the platforms we have mentioned above, like Facebook and all. So most of the accounts are free or offer free trial. So do open them once you've decided to learn digital marketing. I have seen many people being cheated on this front as well. You know, where trainers told opening analytics accounts or bulk mail accounts are costly affair, where the truth is they're free or very cheap. Coming to campaign, etc., try to experiment by putting real money into your AdWords, FB, LinkedIn and bulk mails to understand how the campaigns work. Keeping a total of some rupees 2,000 distributed across the platform is enough to get the real-time exposure. Point number 4, check if content and material provided is an updated content. Digital marketing domain is a very dynamic domain and this field is seeing constant changes. In 2017, FB, YouTube, AdWords platforms have brought significant changes in their system. So to stay relevant, you always need the training companies should offer an up-to-date content. Point number 5, understand to what tools or platforms they offer exposure. Sadly, 90% of the digital marketing trainers in India doesn't know many tools as they're not practitioners. But you need to know SEO, SMM, campaign management, marketing automation, campaign creation, analytics, Mobi ads, and online reputation management tools to become a smart digital marketer. With this, I'll wind up my session and I trust that you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and we are coming up with more and more interesting episodes on digital marketing soon. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to get all the updates from our channel. Do share, like and comment as well. So see you in the next episode. Bye.